Welcome to today's video. If you are working on SEO or writing blog content, you have probably seen tags like H1, H2 and H3. They are not just formatting tools, they help search engines and users navigate your content better. In this video, we will explore what header tags are, how they work, and why following the right hierarchy is essential for SEO. Header tags are HTML elements used to define headings and subheadings in your content. They ranges from H1 to H6, where H1 is the most important and H6 is the least. These tags help structure your content both for readers and for search engines. Header tags improve content hierarchy, making it easier for Google to understand the structure of your page. They also enhance the readability and user experience, especially for long articles. The header tag hierarchy should follow a logical structure. Use only one H1 tag. It's like the book title. H2 tags are like chapter titles and H3 tags are subpoints within a chapter. Avoid skipping levels. The H1 tag is headline of your page or post. It should clearly describe what the page is about and include your main keyword. Use only one H1 per page. Use H2 tags to break your content into clear, scannable sections. These are like main chapters in your blog. You can use multiple H2 tags per page. When you want to go into more detail within a section, use H3 tags. These are helpful for listing features, steps, or examples under each H2. Avoid these common header tag mistakes. Don't skip levels, overuse H1 tags, or use headers just for styling. Always structure for meaning, not for design. Let's go over the best practices. Keep your hierarchy clean and keyword rich. Match the structure to how you would naturally outline your content. Need help checking your header tag structure? Use tools like Yoast SEO, Screaming Frog, or browser extensions to ensure proper hierarchy. To summarize, header tags structure your content like chapters in a book. They help users navigate your content and help search engines understand your page. Stick to a clear, keyword-driven hierarchy for best SEO results. Thanks for watching. Now that you know how to use header tags properly, go apply it on your blog post and pages. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our complete SEO writing course in the description.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.